Hey friends, if you're unable to shut down due to DDE Server Window Explorer.exe warning, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart File Explorer. So how would you do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Okay, let it load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. And how would you do that? So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next one is to use a different method to shut down your system. So if you are right clicking on the start button, selecting shutdown or sign out, then simply press Alt plus F4. Okay. uh we'll have to be at the desktop for that. Alt plus F4 and then select shutdown from here. And obviously after that you can try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and open the command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.